Hi, I'm Rush Wilson, and today we're going to demonstrate how to fold a suit properly to pack for your travels. First, take it off the hanger, the coat off the hanger. And what I like to do is have the shoulders facing me and the lining facing outward. And then I fold the shoulder points together so that all the sleeves line up. Put the collar and the notch in the lapel flat from each side, matching up on each side. Then I put it down on the bed or on the dresser. And as you can see, the sleeves are matched up evenly and side by side. Then I fold the lapel, that lapel side of the coat, over in half. Now, so the lapel, the edges of the coat front are together. Now I'll turn it upside down, and then I'll take either the suit pants, which I'll fold in half, and fold one more time, and lay them where I can fold the coat over the pants. And what this does, it prevents the lapels from creasing. And then I lay this in my suitcase. If you're using an overnight bag like this, just be careful and just set it right in without disturbing the fold. And then when you reach your destination, make sure you go ahead and take your suit out. Take the pants, take the coat, shake it out, get the hotel hanger, and hang everything back up together. If there are a few little wrinkles when you're taking a shower in the morning, just hang the suit up in the bathroom on the hook on the door, and the steam will help relax the wool fabric and knock the wrinkles out.